Alright, it has been a long time coming. I've been busy, but I finally figured out the reverse camera. I'm going to link a video in the description to a gentleman who's also in Australia who actually figured this out. I stumbled across one of his videos, actually noticed that he was using one of the drying towels that we used to sell, which was hilarious. But he figured it out with the camera adapter I bought, and I've just tested it all myself and it bang on works. So I'm just going to quickly update my followers. I don't mean to copy his video, because there were a couple guys I remember who were asking me if I had figured it out yet. So here's a quick little follow-on video for it. So I'm not going to mess around too much. This is our camera adapter here, which is taking the factory camera plug. This has the camera input going into the head unit, which goes into the back here. And then we've got power and ground. So what I'm going to do is, this is just temporary. I've put the ground into a ground spot here. And then this brown wire that comes off the base of the ISO plug, hopefully you can sort of see it, there we go. So third in from the bottom right, you'll see it, this brown wire here. Basically trace that all the way, which will be connected to this plug here. I've taken it out. This is our reverse signal that goes into the head unit. So once we've figured that out, there is a 5-pin connector that sort of just sits, here it is, that just sits around. I'm just going to turn the power off and show you guys. Unplug all this. So there is this little 5-pin connector that has these 4 wires going into it. So the right red wire you can see here, that is for the reverse signal. So with the adapting plug, that would obviously connect to this massive plug here. In this case, being so DIY and aftermarket, it doesn't work. So what I've done now, just to test it, I've basically taken out the brown wire with the pin still in. I've put the power for the camera into the same spot, and I've sort of just jacked them into each other for now. And then I'm just tapping this ground wire in to this ground spot here. Where is it? Sorry guys. That's going to go in there just for now. Cool. I'll just hold this, chuck it up there. Sorry, password, because I use my business email, whoops. So now we put into reverse, we get reverse signal. Oh, how good. Hope you guys find that helpful. To my followers, thanks for sticking around, and I really hope this helps you guys. Like I said, link to Chris Chanel's video is in the description below. Make sure you go check him out. He's also a fellow Mark X owner, and he's got some pretty cool and handy videos. So definitely go check him out. Thanks for watching. Got some stuff to come before the end of the year. Just been busy, wedding, money, bills, other life stuff. So life gets busy, I'm sure you all know. Anyway, take it all easy. I'll catch you all soon.